Chris Colley. I'm an owner of Nearby Plumbing. So I started Nearby Plumbing in 2023. Nearby Plumbing is a local plumbing company here in Utah. We're based out of Midvale, West Jordan. We can do sewer excavation, main line excavation, water heaters, repipes. We do emergency services. We can fix broken pipes, broken drains, broken water lines. So we do bathroom remodels. If someone has a leak in their shower, we can come in and demo the shower, retile it, put in new valves, put in new pipes. We can install vanities, tile floors, shower surrounds, tubs. We really wanted to focus in on the word nearby because we wanted to be a local plumber. We wanted people to know that we were local, that we were more of a neighborhood kind of plumber.
My name is Drew Legge and I'm a plumber for Nearby Plumbing. Nearby Plumbing's a great company. There's a lot of companies out there where when you're working for them, the expectation is that you got to get out there and you're a sales guy and you're trying to make a commission and you're trying to get a bunch of people who actually own the company who live in New York or Washington, D.C. or something like that and make them money. But here, we're more interested in like our neighbors, we're local plumber. It feels good to be able to help our neighbors out, you know? Like we live in this community, we live next to these folks, we're just out to take care of our neighbors and make the community a little bit better along the way.